Turn up to this one, Y-plan system, Worcester Bosch 15RI boiler, no heating fault. The boiler's just sat idling, so I'm going to whip out the breakdown Bible. So the first thing to check is to make sure the programmer's on and check the heating's cooling on the programmer and the roomstat. Heating set to constant, roomstat turned up. We just double check the boiler's not displaying a fault code, which it's not, it's just sat idling. So we're going to head to the wiring centre and we're going to check 240 on white. Go earth to white, we're getting 240 on white. So next thing we're going to check is their 240 on orange. So we're going to go earth to orange, we're getting 85 volts, although that might fire the boiler intermittently, it's not enough to bring it on constantly. So the breakdown Bible says replace zone valve. Because it's a micro switch that's not making, we can just change the head. When I remove the old head, I do check to make sure that the spindle's free. Because if the spindle's stiff, that can be the cause of it, because it will put strain on the head. So with that all wired in, we're going to put the power back on, put the heating on to constant, we're going to turn the room stat back up, then we're going to check for the boiler to fire. Green light means go. Head back up to the wiring centre, we've got 240 on white again, which is good. And now we're going to get 240 on orange, which is your switch live back. Customer now has working heating ready for the winter. Happy days.